Say again?
This weighed 7.5 pounds, but after I trimmed it, it's down to probably 6 3/4.
Good Brutus. Just drop that on the floor, would you?
Yeah.
So, 6 pound brisket going into the smokehouse.
6 3/4.
6 3/4 pound brisket going to the smokehouse if Brutus doesn't get it first.
Marinade. There you go, Mike.
Not for you.
Alright, well here we go. Into the smokehouse we go. Oh, look at that. Oh. See you in a couple hours. Ooh, that's heavy. Alright, so we're at 2 hours. We've already flipped it once. She's time to come out. Oh boy. Oh boy. And we're going to take it right from here. Oh, it's still nice. Oh, look at that. We're going to take it out. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Oh, the smell that's coming off of there is just ridiculous. And now we're going to toss it on the barbecue. Slow and low.
Please?
Flip her over.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh, it smells incredible.
That's sweet, eh? Wow. Nice. From the smokehouse to the skew.
For stuff that I have space, that I keep stacking the things that I
Oh yeah,
didn't
you
know
get the
about
first piece, eh?
all this time. I need
Fucker.
a place to store them for later, like on top, or this has been used maybe once. This has been used maybe 3
Got it.
times. Haven't used it at all. Have used it once. Use it pretty often. So it's like all these things.
Oh no.
I just don't know.
See what I mean?
And you store them downstairs. You store them downstairs.
That is incredible. Ladies?
Yes. Put that in them. You're not gonna like it, Megan.
No, it's gonna be bad, eh?
It's not.
Out of the kitchen. Out of the kitchen.
No.
Good?
What are you gonna eat?